Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Little Genius Chavi. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can make a table in HTML. So let's start now. So the first tag is always HTML. The second tag is body tag. Now, the head tag and the title tag are not compulsory to put. If you want to, then you can. But if you don't want to, then you can. There's no compulsion. Okay, body BG color is equals to this color. Okay, wait, not this color actually. I'll do red. Yes. Okay, now I will do table border. Table border is equals to, you can give any number. I am giving 5. Okay, now put TR tag. Now the TR tag stands for rows and TD tag stands for columns. Okay, so TR tag, so one row, you can give any how much ever rows you want to give, okay, in a table, but I'm giving 4 rows in this video. You can give any more, means you can give more rows if you like and if you want to give that. Okay, so TR tag, so then put TD tag like this and then put the text you want to. So suppose John, I'll give John a name, okay, and I will close the TD tag. Okay, then the next I will do TD tag, okay, like this. And how much ever columns you want to make, you can make just by putting TD like that. Okay, so now John, then I will put Ron, close the TD tag, then again TD tag, then yes, Robin, and then close TD tag. Oh, TD tag, then and then Maria I will give. Any name you can put, or if there is a specific topic on which you want to make a table, then you can put that topic and make the rows and columns accordingly. Okay, so like this, I am just making like this only table to just show you how you can make a table. Okay, and then close a TR tag. So this is the one row and column. 1 row and 4 columns. Okay, now I will just copy this and paste it over here. Okay, now over here just change this things. So Ron, I'm just making a quick schedule of this. I am just making a quick schedule table of this. Okay, so dance, then dance, all of them will do dance at the same time, eat at the same time and all. Okay, so dance. You can do in other way also if there is a specific topic. Okay, now just copy it again and paste it. Now then exercise. Then exercise, yes, perfect. Now and then eat. Okay, and then close it. Yeah, perfect. Then close the table tag. Then close the body tag. And then close the HTML tag. Okay, so our table is completed. Now let's test our table. Plus now p8.html. Okay, now go here and p8. Okay, yes, here it is. So this is our table. Okay, so it looks so nice. So, and one more thing you can do here. Go here, yes, and after body BG color, just put the center tag. Okay, and then go at the bottom, and after table tag, close the center tag. Okay, like this. Less and large. So you can see it. It is in the center. Okay, so now our table is completed. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Little Genius Chubby. Bye.